Subaccounts are an important function in QuickBooks to help you organize your chart of accounts. You can create subaccounts to break down your expenses, income, and other accounts into greater detail. For example, you can divide your utilities account into subaccounts so you can track different types of utility payments like gas, electric, water, and other. Creating subaccounts for these different types of expenses lets you add the detail to the chart of accounts while giving you a summary in the utilities account. Let's see how to do this in QuickBooks. You'll notice in our chart of accounts, we have a disability insurance account, we have an insurance account, and we also have a liability insurance account. Let's create subaccounts for liability and disability under the header of insurance. We don't need to create new accounts. We can simply change the status of these accounts into subaccounts. To do this, first edit the liability insurance account. Select the option is Subaccount, and then type the first few characters of insurance. Click Save and Close. Now go to Disability Insurance and do the same thing. Click Edit, select Is Subaccount, and then choose Insurance. Finally, click Save and Close. Now, when we review our insurance account, we see that we have two subaccounts, one for disability and one for liability, and they're reflected in the chart of accounts as subaccounts by being indented under the main account. It's a good idea to create subaccounts when you want to get more detailed from your reporting, but also have a summary level account. You can do this for new accounts as well as any existing accounts on your chart of accounts.